Just check out how moist this meat is. I mean, you can see it. I have a bowl full of water, as you can see in here. I'm going to add a generous amount of salt to it. I'm going to dissolve it. This water is just room temperature, by the way. I'm going to place 3 chicken breasts in here. And I'm going to let this brine between 30 minutes and an hour in the refrigerator, okay? Okay, I took these out of the water and dried them, and then I just let them sit in this pan for about 10 minutes at room temperature so that they lose their chill. I'm going to squeeze some lemon on them. Season these however you want. I'm going to add salt and pepper, some garlic powder, little thyme, little paprika, and I'm going to drizzle them with a little oil, olive oil. I'm going to tent this with foil, and I'm going to put it in an oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 centigrade, for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to uncover them and let them finish cooking. Alright, these cooked for 20 minutes. I am going to uncover them, and we're going to cook them for about 10 without the foil and check if they're cooked through. I want them to kind of brown a little bit, but I do not want to dry them. I took these out of the oven 10 minutes later. I cut a piece off this one so I know they're done. I am going to cover them with foil, just tent them with foil and let them sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll cut them. So let's check these out. This is really nice. That brine, you know, it salts the chicken. It is very, very important that you do not eat raw chicken. It will make you sick. So please, if you need to cook yours a little longer, please cook it a little longer. Every oven is different, but don't dry it up, okay? You want it to be like this, nice and moist.